First prepare the mixture. The dough will help later. Place 5 grams of baking soda in a small bowl. Add a tablespoon of salt. Add 250 milliliters water in. Mix well. Put 1 kilogram of flour in a larger bowl. Put 15 grams ground cardamom. Put 5 grams black cumin. Put 1 gram fenugreek powder. Add 4 grams of ground fennel. Add 1 gram salt. Add butter 500 grams. Mix and mash until it forms and takes the shape of the dough. Add the mixture we made at the beginning. Mix and mash until the shape of the dough. Add some water if you feel the dough is hard. It should be flexible and easy to handle. Put the dough in a bowl. Cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. The first variant, date-filled cookies. 500 grams of pitted dates. Make a dough out of it. Put under and over the date dough a nylon paper for the kitchen. Start pressing it. Use a rolling pin. Shape the dates like a rug. Rectangular. Thereafter, shape the dough. Use like dates. A rolling pin. Lay the flat dates over the flat dough. Cut off the excess edges. Synchronizing the size of the dates with the dough. Roll the dough 1.5 times till you don't see dates from outside. Cut for centimeters wide by 30 centimeters long. Then cut it. Roll out the dough 1.5 times, as you see it now. As you can see, cut 3 or 4 corners for centimeters wide and 3 centimeters long, whatever shape you want. Place the parchment paper on the baking sheet and place there. Date-filled biscuits on top, sporadically. Make patterns on cake with a fork. Make the egg solution. With 2 eggs, brush the tops of the cookies with an egg liquid. Second variant, stuffed with walnuts. "500 grams of crushed walnuts. Make a flat dough. Use a rolling pin. Make circular cuts about 10 cm in diameter. Stuff the crushed walnuts inside the circular dough and close it. Make a ball from. Place the ball in the template for maker. A very special thanks to my cousin because she helped me a lot. Place in the oven at 180 C for 30 minutes.
Enjoy it.